Nope, don't care.
I'm the biggest in the world.
I don't give a
On September 16, 2024, officers responded to a Walmart in reference to a shoplifting in progress.
Off-duty 672. If you got one, can you start me one up to Walmart North? We're getting ready to detain a white male, long hair, black t-shirt, shorts. Go back in there.
For what?
Go back in there.
What did I do? Don't touch. You know who I am.
I do not.
Don't touch me.
You're under arrest right now.
For what?
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Put your hand behind your back.
Don't break it.
Okay, then do what you're told.
No.
Do what you're told.
You do. You know who I am.
No. You're gonna come back in here. Drop it, dude. Quit. Quit. Get on the ground now. Step about dispatch.
I'm going to work. You know who I am. You know who I am.
I don't care, dude.
Here.
Stop.
Here. Okay, I got
Stop.
it. Here.
I hear nothing. Put your other arm back.
Shut the f up.
Put your other arm.
What are you gonna do about it?
Put your other arm.
Shut the f. Oh.
You're about to get tased. Put your
Right
arm back.
here.
Put it behind your back.
I can't.
Now.
I can't.
Now.
Okay, look at it. You have my
Back. Now. What do you not understand? Turn around now.
Chill out. It's just a bag.
Get that one.
You're making a scene for no reason.
No, because you decided to f***ing run.
You're gonna not know who you are. You know that, right? You know that, right?
Stop moving your hand, bro.
How you?
You will get tased, I swear to
What
God.
did I do? Look at it.
You are going to walk in back in this store.
For what?
Do you understand?
For what?
Because you're under arrest now,
All right.
and you're going to walk back in this store.
For what? Why can't you
You're
put me in
not
the car?
going to cause any more problems.
Why can't you put me in
Do
the car?
you understand?
No, why can't you put me in the car? Why can't you put me in the car?
Because that's not how things work here.
God, you're stupid. Don't know who I am. I'm bigger than you.
That's great.
That's cool. But you're rapping one day. You know that, right? Like my third eye.
I don't care, dude.
Yeah, you're not gonna know who you are. All right. Now you don't know who you are now, right?
Nope, you're
No.
right. I don't.
Sorry. You all good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you know who you are now.
Six, 7, 2. After a brief fight with us, we're walking him back to the office now.
I don't care. They're gonna be like, you stole this. I don't care. Just give me a misdemeanor.
Great.
A misdemeanor. Why you know who I am, right?
Nope, don't
I'm
care.
the biggest in the world.
I don't give a
You.
down.
You're a
Sit down.
you. You know who I am? I'm the biggest in the world.
Shut the door, Hunter.
You know who I am, right?
I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care who
You're not
you
gonna
are.
know who you are.
You're a criminal. That's all I care about. Okay. Okay.
You're ugly as hell. Look at your beard.
All right.
I'm big as hell. I'm bigger than big.
Great. Great.
You. I don't care. Give me a misdemeanor and be like, okay.
Well, too bad.
Give me a misdemeanor.
It doesn't happen like that.
Then what? What's gonna happen? I don't care. It's not a big deal to me.
Good. I'm glad.
Okay. You get in and out. I bet I'll go in and out, process and release.
Nope. Doesn't
Yeah, I
work that
will.
way.
Yeah.
Doesn't work that way.
Shut the f*** up, you fat.
67229.
Yeah, what's that?
29's last name is. First name is A out of middle for CQH, please.
Go ahead. Good.
Yeah.
You're not gonna know who she is.
Still a f***ing girl, aren't I?
You're not gonna know who you are, though.
Yeah, okay.
You over here in the house.
Okay.
You handcuffed me.
Okay. Yeah, I did because you were under arrest.
No, you don't. You're not gonna know who you're gonna.
Okay. You just rambling a bunch of thinking that anybody's gonna think you're crazy.
I'll be richer than you one day. You know that, right?
I'm sure.
I am. I'm bigger than big.
Okay. That's
All right. No one tells me what to. Okay, it's less than a misdemeanor. Cool. Okay.
Yellow! Welcome to the party. What are you searching for, please?
Go ahead, how about
Yellow! Do you know this famous gentleman?
No.
Everybody should know who he is. Nicholas Arias.
Is that right? Yeah. That's not gonna be my name forever, though.
Okay.
I bet you ain't money, look. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and have a seat.
It's a misdemeanor, I don't care.
Okay. Yeah, fighting with the police is not a misdemeanor.
Oh,
so,
yeah, dude.
nice try, though.
I punched
Okay.
you? Let's see the
Okay.
camera. Let's see the camera. I didn't punch you or anything.
You can FOIA my body camera.
Alright.
Absolutely.
Alright. Doesn't matter.
You don't have to punch me for it to
I
be...
didn't punch you.
I didn't say that you did.
Alright, then what's the felony? What's the felony? Let's put your shelf
I'm
there.
done talking to you, dude.
Nothing.
Try to steal that too.
Yeah, he just walked in the thing and ripped the tag off and started selecting all of these items and hid them under a shopping cart.
Unless you have a prior conviction for burglary or larceny or anything like that, that is a felony.
Yeah.
Do you want me to go get a nice...
Yep, I already bagged it up for you. Go ahead, ma'am.
Clear revoke showing 1 and 0 for larceny.
Oh, man.
Felony for what?
1 and 0. Oh, it's not 1 and 1. It's not 1 and 1.
For me?
Could you read all the CQH, please?
13 and 5, 2 and 0 assault, 1 and 0 damage to property, 1 and 0 obstructing, 1 and 0 public heat, 1 and 0 larceny, 3 and 3 dangerous drug, 4 and 0 obstructing justice, 2 and 2 traffic.
It's my first test.
It's not your first one, it's at least your second.
Where?
No, that's your larceny.
No, I haven't. Alright, so that's a good I never had a license. I never had that.
At least you know. At least you're a good street lawyer.
Yeah, I did.
Laura, you gotta make sure you stay under that limit.
Is that on camera?
Is what on camera?
My theft?
Yes. Why do you think we stopped you?
Alright, I'm asked George. I want to see it on camera.
Okay.
I do. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
It's not there. It's not on there.
Alright, they just made it all up.
Alright.
Yep.
I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get this all for record.
Okay. Well, I suggest when you do, you go back to Macon County.
Alright? It's not gonna be on my record.
Okay.
Alright.
Who's transporting?
651, go ahead.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Well, then why'd you try to run?
Because you grabbed me from the
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'm at the judge. Can you get on camera for me?
No, you got grabbed because you tried to run.
Oh
So.
no, it's not camera. I'm bigger than you.
Scared. It's okay.
You look like a virgin.
You're right. I
Man.
was scared too when she came
I'm
after
bigger
me.
than you.
I know, right? I'm very scary.
You're not.
Very
$1
scary.
million. I don't know why you're stealing it.
I don't care. You're a ball bitch.
Almost. Almost.
I've been on radio for like the word.
I know, we sat and watched it. I mean, that's
It's not on camera.
okay.
There's no way.
Just because you dipped down below the clothes.
No, it's not
Okay.
on camera.
Okay.
Go get it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
So we just happened to know what was going on and just picked you for no reason.
It's gonna get dropped.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. It's not on camera, so it's gonna get dropped. It is.
Do you have a phone number you'd like to provide? Okay, well when they call and tell you you've got a warrant because you didn't show up for court, don't blame us. Okay. Are you banning him? Please. You can't come to any Walmarts anymore for the rest of your life. Ever. Any of them. It's criminal trespass if you do. Just letting you know you're banned.
You know who I am.
Just letting you know you're banned.
You're not banning me.
Yeah, actually we are.
You're gonna have to get bigger than us for the whole, all the Walmarts in the world.
No, because they are all owned by Mr. Walmart. 672.
Airport Road, motorcycle, 602.
Did you know, Dade, on the ticket that this fine piece of citizen is banned from all of the Walmarts, including Murphy's Oil and Sam's Club?
Oh well, I'm not gonna listen. There's a different town. There's a way.
Fine piece of citizen.
Fine piece of citizen. All right, I'll have the PC for you shortly. Yeah, I will.
All right, let's go, my man. Want to get your shoe on all the way so we can get up?
Where do you want me to sign? What? Where?
Like where he would sign.
I'll sign it when we get back. Hold on. Always right before I get ready to be off work. Like literally.
When I first heard it, I was like, oh, he's just gonna kindly walk in there.
Oh well.
1 second later.
He decided to try to run out of the backpack and he almost lost it. Because my partner in there is a little bored. But he ended up getting pushed into the corner over there on that side. And I'm like trying to get my taser and my handcuffs out at the same time. And I'm like,
Naturally, when everybody was tied up, I was in 800, so we're all
I'm sorry. And I really was just like, I'm not even going to start him this way because I've seen the screen all freaking since I got here. And I'm just like, nope, nope, nope. And he is like just steady like this. And then he put it underneath another like clothing thing. And then he walked away. And then he comes back and adds more to the pile. And he thinks that if he hides underneath the clothing thing that they can't see what he's doing. When he came in with nothing, goes back and steals a backpack, pulls the backpack, rips the tag off, and then instantly goes and starts grabbing all this stuff. And I'm just like, man, come on.
Can't be easy.
No.
The man stole $141 worth of items and was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer, retail theft, and resisting arrest. What do you believe would be an appropriate sentence? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.